Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is keeping safe, washing their hands and keeping social distance. I am going to take a ride today in my Ferrari and hopefully take some aerial shots with my drone and some GoPro shots, rolling shots. So hopefully we'll make for some interesting video. Obviously there's not much that we can do these days with the quarantine and being stuck at home. So we're looking for ideas about things to do in the cars. I have some things to do with the car, and then I think I'm gonna do some ceramic coating on the wheels of the Jaguar. But I posted a ceramic coating video on my wheels on my TT. You can see the link here. I think it's probably gonna be the same process, but other than that, not much to do other than staying home and following orders and keeping distant from everyone else. So let's make sure we get out of this safe to the other side. All right. So let me go on a ride and put some video together. Hopefully you'll like it. Thanks.